Yeah, Chantel. I'm thinking we could hang out today, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm just wondering because sometimes when I'm not doing anything, I like to do like community services.
What?
I like to do like community service.
Oh, okay. I just couldn't hear you from my phone.
Oh, okay.
My phone is teensy.
You're in that small phone though. Why did you buy that?
I don't know. It's funny and cute. I like a cute little phone.
Okay then. Right, so I'm gonna be around yours in like, let me think, 2 seconds. Right.
1.
Bye.
Bye.
2.
Bye.
Sicky.
Okay.
2 seconds later.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh, hi. Ow. Oh, maybe knocking a bit hard there.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Here, have this.
Oh, thank you. Just gonna put that with the
I've
other
got
2
your
flowers.
favorite cookies.
Cookies! Nom.
I've got loads of cookies at my house. Literally, what?
I don't think you noticed, but they're if you look out your back window, I'm just walking into your house just casually. Your house is so empty.
Look upstairs at my stash of cookies.
I don't think you noticed, but look outside your house.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that where it is?
Yeah. We're helping
Okay,
running the
come
market.
upstairs. Look at my huge stash of cookies that I keep in the corner.
Oh my
You can have them if you want.
god.
I rarely eat them.
They're my cookies. They're my preciouses. They're my life and soul.
Okay, do you know
And
where
a
the hard
garden too.
hats are?
They should be in decoration probably.
Oh, I found them. Here you
You
go.
just took my helmet. Thank you.
Yeah, I gave it to you.
I was just about to pick it up and then you took it off me. You literally
No, I
snatched it out of my hand. That was a bit mean.
No, literally, I went in and I took it and I never saw that your hand was there. I'm so sorry.
Like my hand was reaching in, and then your hand was like mine, taking it for myself. Alright, so we've got some slabs here.
Okay, well, we have to. Which ones need finished?
I'm taking it. Really? You really like taking my stuff?
I never meant it. I never meant to reach in and grab your stuff. I'm sorry. I really like to remove the. Oh, damn it. Made a mistake. These are so heavy. Once you got them in your hand, you're like, oh, this is so light. But when you place them, they're so heavy.
Yeah. It's like you have to try.
Finally.
It's like they automatically attach to the thing you didn't want to attach it to.
Yup, as if they were big bricks of quartz. Oh wait, they are bricks of quartz. Whoops. Oh, where's the will? Where's the will? Where's the will?
It's a box called wool.
Well, I'm not looking at the names. I'm just jumping. Oh, you stole purple. Purple's my favorite. I'm stealing your favorite then.
No! You can't take red.
Too late.
Do you understand how racist that is?
Red goes better with white, and I'm doing the white.
What, you Japan now?
No. I think I'll just go to this Philly red because I think it'll look nice. Yeah, give me a brick of your favorite color. Hey! I'll give you a brick of your favorite color. Can I have a brick of mine?
I already stole a brick of you. That was my favorite colour, so.
Oh wow, you're not even going to let me have a brick of purple?
No.
Just one.
Did I muck up? I think I mucked
Just
up.
one.
No,
Just
I
one. Please. Come on. Come on, amazing person, please. I don't know how this person's going to get another stall, but they have to find a way. Because I'm not breaking all this red will I just placed. You know what? I'll break one block. Why is this so heavy?
Yeah, I know.
Finally.
Let's put some blue.
Getting along really well.
So hard.
God damn it.
Why is life hard? Tell me this, Taylor.
I don't know. Why is life a pain in the ass?
Why is this so heavy? Why is all this stuff heavy?
Just freaking put red on there. I don't care anymore.
How nice does that one that I made look?
Mine looks better. No, it doesn't.
Of course it would. I'll be back for 1 minute. You might be able to hear me. I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Cool.
Like,
Can you hear me?
yes.
What the heck did you hear me? Oh well. When will she realize I like her?
That looks nice.
You heard nothing, okay?
I didn't hear. What did I not hear?
So you didn't hear anything. Okay, good.
Okay.
You heard nothing.
Alright. Let's
So close.
put my cookies up there.
I'm gonna make mine I'll make mine like armor stand shop. Something like that.
I don't know what's gonna be in this. This is a flower shop.
Yeah, cool. Good flowers.
It's probably not gonna sell any flowers, but it's a flower shop. Like
There we go.
Like nobody's moved into this town except us.
I know, right?
I'm the manager.
I'm boss, remember?
You're not boss. I'm more of a boss than you.
Do you hear that?
Yes.
Is there a British Army in the back?
Huh?
I just heard trumpets. It must be in my head. I'm sorry.
No, I'm pretty sure I heard trumpets as well. Are you sure you're not playing trumpets?
Is that coming from my house?
Yeah. The last one I got.
Oh my god, let me touch it in my house.
No, this person here is gonna sell sand. Because they're the loneliest that sell sand.
You raging! Oh my god. Okay, I got it. Oh. There's a bunch of squirrels playing my trumpet. Weirdest thing you'll ever find is a bunch of squirrels playing a trumpet. I never thought I'd see that in my life.
Yeah, I don't think anyone would expect to see that. I think they'll be running for their life.
Oh my god, they're
Where are all the squirrels? Squirrels, come on with your hands up! Oh, it's nice on pizza.
Oops. I definitely did not kill the squirrel by accident.
Oh, that's horrible. That is pure horribleness.
And okay, I think that was its last breaths. Oh my god, it's taking its last breaths. It's going so slow. It's sad.
Oh god, I think it's dying. I really think it's dying.
Wait, only my dad could play the trumpet like that. Is my dad there? Oh, please don't. Bad time for him to be here. No, Dad, nothing. Nobody can come in yet. I've not fully moved in. You gotta go. Bye. Leave us town. Sorry, that was
Your dad.
Okay, you might hear the trumpet for a while. My dad's just like flying away, so you'll hear it for a bit.
It's like, you're the trumpet air to fly. Flying trumpeters!
My dad's on a plane playing the trumpet, and he's a really loud player. He almost blew my ears off when I went near him.
He's like, nope, sorry girl, you can't. Life.
Okay, I'm gonna make this one look really weird. Yeah, I can't be bothered going to the bloody thing to get more material, so I've just done this. Oh
my god! Tell your dad to shut up if you can! Seriously!
Taylor! Taylor!
Yes? Is your dad drunk? Quick question.
In real life or the game?
What you on about?
Okay, this interrupted our roleplay.
What roleplay? What are you on about?
Nothing.
You're drunk! Chantel, are you drunk?
What?
Are you drunk?
Yeah. In real life, I actually am.
What do you mean in real life? Conspiracy theory confirmed, Chantel.
Well, you're just like, what the fuck? She is. I'm the devil, you know. No. There's a past me that. No, there's a future me that kind of comes through me
Chantel?
sometimes, and I
Chantel?
freak out.
Chantel.
Yeah.
You're on drugs. Don't worry about it. Okay. Your secret is safe with me.
Yeah, no.
How loud does your dad play the trumpet?
Pretty loud.
I slept with it.
I think he's trying to show off to the people on the plane. I mean, himself.
I think he's killing everyone on the plane.
Yeah. Like, literally, I saw...
like blood
there's a
splattering.
pool of blood over here. I think he burst someone's ears open. Literally, look.
Right, I'm trying to break this. I mean, carry this blood.
Oh, there's a pill of blood. Oh, wait a minute, please.
Oh god. R.I.P. civilians. Wait, how did your dad get on that plane so fast?
He never got on a plane. I texted him all the way to Cal. Yeah. Oh my god. You could say he was winging it.
No. I thought I was bad.
Just wow.
Like when I had this like pen lid and it looked like a whale to me, so every time somebody asked me about it, I said it's just a whale of the time.
I used to have a clock that had a whale above it, so I used to say, Mom, I'm having a whale of a time. She'd get pissed off at me.
Yeah, everyone used to get annoyed with me saying it's just a whale of the time. They're like, Taylor, will you just try to shut up about this? Because, like, nobody really cares about that freaking pen lid that looks nothing like a whale.
I think we were just imagining the trumpet, because if it was my dad playing the trumpet, it would still be going.
Yeah. I think we're all high.
I think I put it in your head, and then you just started imagining it at the same time as me.
Yeah? That makes sense, you know.
Like, I mean,
I forgot what I was doing.
I'm totally not in another galaxy where my dad and downstairs playing the trumpet. No, nothing like that.
No, that's just crazy talk.
Yeah, I know, right? Crazy talk. People have been messaging me saying, get out of your Minecraft world. What is Minecraft?
Yeah, what is Minecraft?
Are we like living in the past and then people are just coming up to us now and telling us that? Are we crazy people?
No, I think we're quite normal.
Yeah, like, oh shit. Oh, this is gonna take ever to left. Can you help me?
No.
No, literally, I've got too big of it. Please help.
Well, they should give us like some sort of lifting tools. God.
Woman, I'll be back with some tools.
Okay.
I got some in my house.
Okay.
Totally.
I did not see any chests in your house, but okay. Let's grab one more colour.
A world of time.
Okay, I've got the tools. Here, I have this, and I have this.
I've got to go back there.
Did I pick them both back up?
Yeah?
I think I picked them up. No, you picked them back up.
Yup.
Just stop making
Damn it!
Right. So, guys,
Just take it! Please!
that's it for this video.
Your sister's still there.
Yes, but that's it for this video. When we come back, this will be done. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and bye.
This is dang